Today, I'll show you how to design a YouTube banner in Canva, a simple way to give your channel a polished, professional look. Start by opening Canva and typing YouTube banner into the search bar. You'll instantly see a library of templates already sized for the YouTube banner format. Browse through the options and pick one that fits your channel's vibe. Once the template loads in the editor, it's time to customize. You can change the background color, swap in your own images, or use Canva's free photo and graphic library. Adjust fonts, colors, and layouts until they match your channel's personality and branding. Don't forget to include your channel name and, if you'd like, a short tagline so new visitors know exactly what your content is about. Make sure your text is clear and easy to read on both desktop and mobile. Before you finish, preview your design to see how it will look across different devices. This step is important so that no part of your text or images gets cut off. Once everything looks great, hit Download. PNG is a solid choice for quality, and then upload it directly to your YouTube channel. And that's it. With just a few steps, you've created a custom YouTube banner that helps your channel stand out and leaves a strong first impression.